In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export timesheets from Deputy to Xero efficiently and accurately. This process is straightforward and will take only a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero accounting software login page. This is your starting point for the export process. Once there, go ahead and click on the login button. Type in your email and password, ensuring that they are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've verified your details are correct, click on login once more to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard, your central hub for navigating the various features of Xero. Look for the connected apps icon, which is typically located on the same bar as your main menu options, and click on it. This section will show you all the apps that are linked to Xero. Among these, locate the Deputy app and click on it to proceed. This action will redirect you to your Deputy account. Here, look for the Timesheets option typically found in the main menu or a similar section. Click on Timesheets to move forward. This is the section where you manage all employee timesheets, and from here you'll begin the export process. Next, click on the option to export timesheets. Before proceeding with the export, it's crucial to ensure that all timesheets you intend to export are approved. Unapproved timesheets could result in incomplete data being transferred, which might lead to discrepancies later on. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, click on Continue with Export. Following this, return to your Xero account. Within Xero, navigate to the Payroll section, which is where you'll be managing your payroll data. Within this section, find and click on Timesheets. This area will now display all the timesheets that have been successfully exported from Deputy. And there you have it. You've now successfully exported your timesheets from Deputy into Xero. This seamless integration between Deputy and Xero helps you keep your payroll information organized and up to date, allowing for efficient management of employee hours and payroll processing. Feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to perform this task again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, take care.